Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're getting our hands dirty and learning how to grow okra right from the comfort of your own containers. Okra, also known as lady's fingers, this member of the mallow family, which includes cotton and hibiscus, thrives in warm climates. Okra is a delicious and versatile vegetable, perfect for stews, soups, and even frying. And the best part, it's surprisingly easy to cultivate, even if you don't have a backyard. This video will guide you through the process, from selecting the right container, planting the seeds, and caring for okra seedlings. We will need organic mulch such as shredded leaves and composted chicken manure. Chicken manure is a nutrient-rich organic fertilizer that is highly beneficial for plants. Packed with essential minerals like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, this well-aged chicken manure is organic gardener's best friend. Choose a container that is at least 12 inches deep and has good drainage. Okra has a deep root system, so a deeper container ensures ample space for growth. Ensure that the container you choose is filled with high-quality potting soil that drains well and is supplemented with well-aged chicken manure to provide essential nutrients for your plants. Now, gently poke your finger about an inch deep into the soil, creating a small hole. Place 2 or 3 okra seeds in that hole and cover them lightly with soil. Keep in mind, sow okra seeds directly in the container once the soil has warmed up, typically in late spring or early summer. After covering the seeds, add a layer of composted chicken manure. This natural organic fertilizer will provide your okra seedlings with all the nutrients they need for healthy growth. Now let's add mulch to the top of the container. Mulch serves as a protective barrier, helping to retain moisture in the soil, which is crucial especially during hot weather. In addition to keeping the soil moist, mulch also plays a key role in preventing weeds from taking root and competing with your okra plants for essential nutrients. By adding a layer of mulch, you not only improve the overall appearance of the container, but also promote healthier plant growth. Water the soil thoroughly after planting and keep it consistently moist until the seeds germinate, which usually takes 7 to 14 days. Once the seedlings emerge, thin them out to the strongest 2 to 3 plants per container. Provide the plants with at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Remember, okra thrives in full sun. Water the plants regularly, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. Fertilize the plants every 2 to 3 weeks with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer or compost. As your okra plants grow, you may need to provide support for taller varieties. Stake or use a tomato cage to support the plants and prevent them from bending or breaking. By following these steps, you can successfully grow a bountiful harvest of okra in containers, even if you have limited garden space, and enjoy the fresh, flavorful pods and the numerous health benefits they offer. Thank you for watching our guide on planting okra seeds in containers. We hope this video inspires you to start your container gardening journey and enjoy the flavorful rewards of growing your own okra. Happy planting!